Me come in time sorry, but I mean so be Kenya say much me. Ah, I don't know how to say. Why?
What do you mean another? Oh, come on.
You are insulting me.
Yes, because what you're doing is a bad
You
doing.
are insulting me.
As me.
You are insulting me.
Oh, madam, one way whom you. What one way whom you what?
Hey, wonders.
Wonders. It's
Woman.
Madam.
You know what? I'm going to report you to your boss.
Report why?
My report so, and you will hear from me. Well, maybe yes, you would. You will be sacked.
I'll be sacked. Sack like
you will be sacked.
Like sack what dear or who? Or bottle sack like sack what dear or bottle or who?
You know what? When I'm done with you, you will see.
You will see too. Not why. And you watch the could be and watch it. I'm sure can now when you pick it to be maybe and come in do because I'm a was and come to Vejano. And it become it even I finish dealing with you. It become like a sack. Sack like a pump him. A patino. Pate will crank it. Pate. Pate so better to you. Pate. Yea, you see, I make a grandfather. Eh? There is saying, send me palm, Mrs. When I can make a pate. Make it like I mean, Madame cry. Ha. Me bro, me bre papa banyasem ketua. Afi me hear more ideas from a chiri bench here. To be obenya adu bi on fa ma me naija. Me create na me fam tu pata ase na de adu ne de. Hey.
All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air. Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Put up on no like that up, it's about to get dirty. Mr. DJ put it for rewind cause I'm feeling already. This song is about
I'm sorry if I can ask. Oh, no. Because when you make it when you made it, I don't think say he will still come back again.
And anyway, why are you asking?
Oh, I just want to know because I want to know where we are going. I want to know you are going.
Meko.
Oh, Yehoah. Ye, nyame. Madam. Ampa, say we are saying kasa say we bon page nyankopon na wa mi na no ankasa. Enfan so tuna so wantio. Ye. Oh, thank you. God bless you.
Hey, Dede. And then Empire now, but didn't tell Empire.
Oh, just that I'm happy for your family. They say we could share for you see them so long. You be share. Why? You be share only nyankopon so nko. Why?
Dede, please come. Come. Bra.
Oh, kasa.
Mr. Bra. Anyway, for information, me kwaba. And you may call me. Me mamma and they are sending me. The command offer. Abba back to the hotel.
Who kwasa Abba?
May they kwaba back to the hotel. See, now they all. Hey, waka.
Madam, please come.
Ade.
Please come. Did you already ask him? Madam, for this is unfair. It's not done anywhere. If you're not going, I'm not going. If you're going, I'm going. How can you say I'm going and you change your map to say I'm going to come?
Francis.
How come?
Today, Mentiasio. Mentiasia, my crowd say make baby aba, and one tears, yes, and make up.
What are the problem? Hey!
General Francis. We didn't meet Yakupon Deep or Cho. We feed the Yumaya in Sunumuna. The Pachuma Onya and the Cobra. And at this time, Upia men check because we said yes and we mind who Yakupon come. Thank you.
Anyway, me comment to the name, bro.
Oh, but you're going for sir. I saw ya top on your printing home red nibbin. I read up, yeah. Thank you.
And the crest in it. Obi cover me not to them apple cocoa. Why say not the aquantity? But one into that only Yakupon come. Why?
Unless I forget, na me hear Partey catch and say me cover. My friend na me.
I'm going to inform him for you. Don't worry.
Mate.
All right.
Mate. Dede, make sure you jollof rice in Hawaii. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my queen. Hey! You know more queen.
Masa, one for my juma. Can you meba one for my juma? You are not the one who employed me. and learn how to talk to a professional cook and at the same time a professional chef.
Chef,
what boy damn papa, who are you?
If you are small. So sit dear, imumo kwa e bebu never bo wan kaso kunkum aso.
What is your problem?
Susukuru wa obesusu no. And one of Yakupum besusu ma wo.
What's your gospel musician?
My problem is say enyevo and no kwate party say on pamo birthday again na birthday na nyama so.
And so no say you and so what? Edu banku ana edu mutu.
Unsi hotel o. One pro be adwuma. Uni right.
I have the left.
You don't have the right.
I have the left. Masa. Unyo bia wo. Ena sa wani ha ne na wo so na. E wo se wa ne wa no. Masa. Wo di mo so be fun what?
Me dunya ko pota so kama chia me da so me system bu basa basa. Yeah. Papa masa. Dede me dunya ko pota so me nya hands down. Anya no danye kasa wo.
Woni self be.
I don't want to choose say. Dede. I don't want to choose say.
Half am space.
O simbi no wate. Nyankopon o kwa fa so chini pa dasani bia. Obo ne nhira beba 6. Obi de beba 7, obi de beba 8. Obi de beba na 10. Si ampe no ba no abesan no. Simbi ne no. Ko me kun sha do kwa me ko bo ne kwa me tina he ya.
All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in it.
Upate ufyanu fuwa na waban sangrafu. Sangrafu no upate uhumbanu fuwa. Another one. Ay, Misibi. Misibi da tunu. Nifuya feria but mugizi na sijumati cha wawino. Sakwano. Mbabu budi na Misibi nchi.
Boss.
Hey, Dede, are you? How?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. How are you too?
I'm good. And you?
Oh, I'm good.
Thank God.
Where is Wakasu and Partey?
Partey and Wakasu is a work.
They are work.
Yeah.
And what are you doing?
Boss, I would just want to come and talk to you. I want us to discuss something about.
Did I? Why you every day? I want to have something to talk to you. I want to talk to you. I information minister. I don't make no
Monday.
Manti. Are you information minister? Upon Kunuma.
Because everything I'm doing right now, I'm just doing that the hotel will improve. Because me be a hotel bed. Every 2 pounds.
Why you can't quite shadow? Serious. Monsieur Matia can't quite shadow. Hotel at my phone for what? But what do you do there? Plus. What the quite too much?
Boss, have you asked what I want to say?
What the quite shadow?
Mammy for more, you're concerned, mammy for more. Boss, who paid this as someone particular paternity?
Partey.
Who catch a paternity one chin and won't free gain, no, Shannon one may make gain, no, and on one said gain, no, and one fan famino, and one soon mono. What is a paternity?
Baby de Gado.
Boss, what call pani patipa, or what's a patipan again, it's Siano Puyano. Obey you go.
Sono Puno.
Paternity gate, Mucotrins, you know, so gay you, Miano,
Renuvu.
or son of a finna, no.
No, I'm being me to tell you one family cabin.
But let him go reggae them.
And government.
More reggae.
Partey. Hey!
I am a pen and say Partey will be a single boss. And we didn't come and say, when you were gay, you know. And for once again, because gay no. Say, oh, Partey's oh, financing from boss or a wine. Boss on a bump him said the attack for honor, or a wine.
Partey, the Casa was at
10 neck as I mean.
What's it? Banner everyone I say. I'm
Any put my letter for Obana, Bema, or Bano and Tafrimo.
But I will Shapa, we are Shapa, but in a catch my papa see at you. But we are shaking a lady. But we are Shapa. What the no.
Walk up, as a gay night, the patiso. Huh? Napati bookie more and in swift faggy now as soon.
But I never send the Partey and you won't. Patamon, we see, Patamon say, you are too for natural one tear, quantum Maggie.
Auntie Maggie, Auntie Simum, Auntie Ade.
Hey, Partey! Auntie Partey, why you are?
What's wrong? Walk in the room.
What's a guy
day inside the girls?
I told you all that.
No, it's a material and dwellers a material. I went,
what are you?
What are so I asked him to
the come and do what?
What would the kind?
Partey, But Patty,
Who crank ye me?
All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air. Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Put up on like test up, it's about to get dirty. Mr. DJ put it for rewind cause I'm feeling already. This song is a band. All my ladies in the club. To my ballets, are you ready? It's already weekend. All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air, yeah, yeah. Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Put up on like this up, it's about to get dirty. Mr. DJ put it for rewind cause I'm feeling already. This song is a band. All my ladies in the club. To my ballets, are you ready? It's already weekend. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, me up. I'm gonna take you to Cloud9, yeah. The party's gonna be over soon, baby, what's up? But I did so bring your son, yeah. With a bike, let's go Paradiso. NGNE for the disco. Inside Amsterdam, we go to a factory and light up the place. Girl, you gonna all my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air. Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Put up on like test up, it's about to get dirty. Mr. DJ put it for rewind cause I'm feeling already.
Partey, it's all Partey. I don't know, yes, sir. I don't know, say, won't buy me chain. Oba mention so oba ya na woko. Why?
Frances.
Partey.
Enu buase mfata okeniba. Ifran tomago. Mindi pipragoro.
Partey. What do you mean by Ifran tomago into only pipragoro?
I'm in for work. Please. I can't tolerate all this. What your guy came in and do? He just embarrassed me.
Partey, I know. You know what? I am really sorry about that. I am really sorry. But one thing you should know is that guy, you know, me penny beam. He's my personal. Say wanna me do abe doing chain. Partey, you are the one I love. Please.
Frances. The adobe come a bottle. Come shank a baby me papa. Frances, I'm sorry to tell you that you just stay away from me.
Partey, you know that can't happen. You know it can't happen, Partey.
Frances.
Please, Partey, we are my only mental tetia. Partey, if anything bad happens to me, don't blame yourself. Partey, please.
Frances, you just relax. Then talk to your guy. Frances, talk to him. He embarrassed me.
I know, I'm sorry.
In front of my colleague.
I know.
In the presence of my work. Just come to me.
Please, it won't happen again.
Yes. Turn your back. Just turn your back.
All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air. Caribbean girl with a body you.
Boss. What do you sorry fast I'm watching?
Oh, it's fine.
And I'm saying yes some program who hotel when you say I'm on point them.
Don't worry.
But I'm sure you have a
Yeah, sure.
That's what you know.
It's fine.
Boss, some say me no di nkomo bi. Say me the videos be na pictures be.
Yeah, of course.
I'm say okay. Yeah. Boss, we are saying say you e da ba ko pe na nipa di hu nipa.
Yeah.
Na first da me hu no e na hu do bi ye dey e be wura me mu. Papo asempre ko pe. Na me hwe se bi ade ye wo dia no. Nipa me nim no anase bi obi a me nim no e me yonko. Enyi film sam da me ntia se da. O de hwe video na pictures no wi a na maka de to so a kire. Eniema e koso hotel ho. Woko ye kire. Boss we. Ade a Partey no dey na yere hotel wono no.
They've been doing this.
This is what they have been doing.
Look at this stupid guy kissing her.
Kissing? You are fighting over kissing? Partey timi wura gay them. Eko so gay yi mu, eko fe figure na no gay no kwada yina. Wo bre se bi aduma gu woro. Na nim se bi enam Partey so nti no. Gay na buki days ni bi aka ho.
So is this the reason why she's refusing to answer my calls? She don't even want to come home.
I think that's the reason.
You know what? I want you to do something for me, okay? There's an unfinished business between me and her. I mean, my girlfriend. And there is a lot of money involved.
A lot of money?
And I believe you can do this. I trust you.
What kind of work? What kind of work is that?
See.
Hey! I'm sorry, Dede.
Calm down.
Calm down.
See, I'm going to give you a lot of money. I'm going to give you $15,000 US. It's not Ghana cedi.
What?
You can get yourself one of these, stop this job, get yourself a better work, an apartment, and live a good life.
Oh, from apartment here, you get on the hell. Get me on the hell. I watch you be able to
say that.
So the hell.
That's not true. You see, that is the reason why I want you to do this for me. Riff-raff like you. This is just the beginning.
So I bridge memo. Now I'm branding long hours need 2 to 3 jobs. No, per something genuine. Every time you have 2 hours. No, so no one's any time for family there. And you're not the digital marketing business. We a business when you any work experience. You hear no phone, or tablets, any internet connection. And no kwana winya. That's how I sign you to a coach and a mentor. I better guide you through the process. What status wa? I am one castle business. I was start you. Ultimately register with the government and ultimately sign a jama and shima. Na me so start here. Bibi kakra bi na betu ya. Na no kra ne amount 30 good days. Sefa dream ho, share business model no. Check the community there out. Senya bibi a wani je ho a, ye tu se Kenya na ma within the 30 days. Until you have absolutely nothing to lose. Ope so ho ma, my website and our screen so no. Corner for dinu email address na ko register na share complimentary webinar no. And I say my number na our screen so no. Fra na friend me, na me fan for processing. Nyame nka ho. I'll see you on the inside.
All my pretty girls in the club, put your hands in the air. Caribbean girl with a body you for bounce for allergy. Put up on like test up, it's about to get dirty. Mr. DJ put it for rewind cause I'm feeling already. This song is a bad.